And welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at a Concode AC. I noticed that one of my time tickets didn't have all the locomotives that I operated on that day in use at one time. So today we're going to enter a Concode AC to correct this issue. We're going to move on over to the csxcrewlife.com and go to the Payroll tab, Payroll Claims. And I do believe we need a job slash train ID in the box here. So I'm going to go ahead and put down L41630. The date in question was December 30th. Kind of service 4. Subdivision code for Lafayette is K6. And since we're not using a kind of service yard, we're going to leave that blank. Hit search. Inquiry complete. I already have one claim already in here. But we're going to go to the right of that existing claim in there. And we're going to keep going. Concode AC. I do believe we put in 0 and then text. It doesn't like the field being 0. Make it 1 penny then. Supposedly they update the time ticket is what they do, so it doesn't matter the amount of money you put in there. There it goes, 1 penny. I like the 1 penny. Same text for Concode AC. Engineers are only entitled to the largest axle count in some handled at any given one point in time. Maximum axle count in the axles coupled and controlled at one time. So we had 3 6-axles at one point in time. So 6, 12, 18. List all the locomotives engine handled at one time. And there's the example of CSXT 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's add CSXT 310, CSXT 4583, and CSXT 357. What I had at one time. The starting of the max amount of axles. $11.52. $12.19. I certify this information to be correct. And since I put a T in there, here's the additional claim text box. We're back. Gonna magically fill this out super fast. And there, I just became the world's fastest typewriter. Please allow these extra axles that failed to make it onto the time ticket. We left Switzer siding with Locomotive CSXT 310 and CSXT 4583. At Lafayette, the yardmaster instructed us to pick up CSXT 357 and finish doubling train for outbound M64129. Hit the save button here. Text has been entered. Press submit to continue. I've entered 1 cent. Press submit or make changes to continue. This claim has been successfully submitted. And that's how we do a Concode AC to add extra axles onto a ticket. Typically, this is used when a yard job has more than 4 locomotives and the time ticket only accepts 4 locomotives. Also a road ticket as well. If you exceed the maximum axles allowed there, this claim will allow you to add as many axles as necessary to get the job done. In this specific case, I do believe only 1 of the 3 locomotives made it onto the time ticket. And so I turn in this AC here to get properly paid because the engineer's pay is based upon the amount of locomotives being handled at one point in time. This is Adam West of Smart Transportation Division. Thank you for watching.